Shocking, shocking. I don't even want to say. Don't even want to say. I'm in a lane in Riverside. I'm told it's a council lane, and it's a mess, right? And people come down here. They do all sorts of things. I mean, I'll give you a clue. Oh, take a look. Do you know what I mean? Right. It's a chocolate log over there, but it's not made of chocolate, yeah? Anyway, so it's just a state. It's a mess, grime. That's been there. You're talking years of grime. This is Riverside, all right? For context, certainly isn't Fairwater, because I'd have been all over it. So this is residential as well. What people want is some kind of security. So the obvious thing for me to stop people coming down here and doing all sorts of things, gate it. Right? It's not rocket science. Gate it, give the residents the key, or if it's going to be electronic, give them the electronic key. Problem solved. Everyone's happier. Yeah? Riverside councillors, Labour councillors, sort it out. All right? Oh, God.